Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and if you are trying to improve your digestion, there are so many things you could be doing with food. There's FODMAP, there's elimination dieting, there's so many things. However, I want you to stop and pause and think, what is my nervous system doing when I'm eating? And sometimes we have a nervous system that we can control. You can control your breathing, you can sometimes control how you're thinking and feeling, yet there is a subconscious control called the autonomic nervous system, which could be fight or flight or any sort of trauma response, and that can affect your digestion. And I'm shutting the door. And your nervous system, when it's in flight or fight, it literally has to be prepared to attend to a threat, and you could potentially be in survival mode, and digestion is not optimized. So you're not in a space where you can effectively absorb your nutrition, effectively eliminate. And in order for that to work, you need to be in the parasympathetic state, which is actually called rest or digest. So if you're having problems digesting, asking yourself, where's my nervous system at? And sometimes that's another level of awareness that you haven't paid attention to. And so if you can name it, you typically can tame it. So paying attention to where you're at in regards to regulation of your nervous system might help with digestion. Try it and let me know how it feels.